All right, so we're joined by Reggae Boyz attacker Demarai. Firstly, Demi, how are things going so far in Saudi? 2 months there now in the league.
Yeah, I'm still adapting. It's a different challenge, but I think each week now I'm improving. Just get used to the culture and stuff. So I think over time things will keep getting better. Obviously for me, it's just about improving my personal performances and improving as a player. So yeah, I think overall it's just the transition period.
Yeah. And of course, quite recently you had a knock, but how are you doing physically right now?
Physically I'm alright. Mentally I'm alright. Obviously I missed the first game, which was disappointing, but got a challenge now to obviously come back and make a difference, and hopefully I can do that during the game.
Yeah, you had a chance to settle in with the squad last night and train today. How was training like today with the lads?
Training was good. It was good to be back out there. The vibes were good as always, and I felt good, which is the most important. So hopefully I can take that into the game. Try and score, and like I said, make the difference.
Yeah, I'm sure you're humbled by a lot of the positive messages you were seeing from fans about the recovery for you, especially from the first game. On social media and everything.
Yeah, the fans obviously always show me a lot of love, and for me I feel like I owe them. Every time I play I try and repay them, so hopefully I can do that tomorrow, but most importantly it's just about winning the game and progressing, because we need to look long term at future competitions and the plans the manager has for us, and we've got to take it game by game, and tomorrow's the next one.
Yeah, and not many people know, but of course, you have family this part of the world. A lot of Jamaicans have family this part of the world. I'm sure it'll be exciting to see the fans and also the family as well.
Yeah. Got family out here in Toronto, which is nice. They'll be at the game. But all the support we get, whether it's from them or the Jamaicans that come out. Obviously we're grateful for it, and it's just about giving back to them.